Hey everybody, it is the time for the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration, sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs, and I'll show you what I've got. I hope everybody's doing great. My channel is Val Creates, and on here I do lots of different projects with mostly earrings, but it's a jewelry making channel. So on the 18th of every month, myself and lots of great creators, we think of different things we can create based on certain guidelines. And so I encourage everybody, when you're done with my video, please look at the people that will be linked in the description to see what those wonderful creators have as well. Okay, so for July 18th, our colors are yellow, gold, orange, and or red. Incorporate sun, stars, and or planets. Wire wrap a cabochon or try bead weaving around the cabochon. Okay, so those are the guidelines. I'm gonna start with my most unusual thing, and this is something I did by hand. I've got a gold, bronze piece here, like a ring, a connector bead. I took gold plated like wiring and wire wrapped it around the sun, and in the middle, not the sun, but I guess, you know, it's round, so it reminds me of the sun. But I put that wire wrapping on the wire wrapping. I put these beads. These are Mukite beads, and hopefully you can kind of tell how rich the colors are. That's kind of dark red or orangey, kind of yellowish, cream colored beads. And so and I put a bronze chain on that. So it's just a little necklace that I did by hand. These next earrings sort of go with the colors. So there's kind of red beads and orange and yellow beads here. And then I've got some silver pieces, just some silver charms there on the bottom. And some more silver beads at the very bottom. So that's the earrings I have. I've got one more thing, and I think these are my favorite because they have the suns at the bottom, copper sun charms. And then, of course, the colors of yellow and red there kind of at the top to go along with the color part of our guidelines. So those are the 3 items I created. And I wanted to show in our Jewelry Making Fun collab for July. And I can't wait for August because, well, I won't say why, but August is going to be a great month. And you'll see in a month on the 18th of August. So thanks so much for joining me. And remember, this collab is sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs. And I have lots of creators for you to watch at the end. I mean, there'll be descriptions of how to get to their channels in my description. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Till next time.